Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for machine learning. So today we're going to see the new thing, that is visualization of Netflix database, that is data set. And part one video we are going to see the few things only. So before going this concept here now about everything like machine learning, I hope that everyone know about machine learning and so on from AI everything. Today we're going to see the one with the hands-on demo. Before that, we are now about what is the meaning of data visualization. So data visualization is one of the basic concept, or we can say the graphical representation of data and information easily here. And also it we need because it's mainly used for data cleaning, exploratory data analysis, and proper effective communication with business stakeholder too. So since in the world everyone know about the Netflix, one of the familiar one, and the database saying they have more than 8,000 videos and so on, successfully running Netflix database, that means data set, where you have data set, the data set followed from the Google. So if you want about more things, we can go through later. And there are a lot of data visualization is there, bar chart, where you have a horizontal plot and so on and so on. So thing is, for execute this kind of project, we have to import the packages like pandas, numpy, word and matplotlib like that. So everything having some specialization here. All the packages having some specialization. Pandas also have now supporting many things like CSV file, whatever the data set it may drag and get the data and print properly, column wise, row wise, and so on. And matplot library is one of the special library support for executing all the things, making the coloring, color palette, and so on and so on. And the Seaborn is a one of the familiar one where it consists of a default so many styles and variety of styles and the graphical representation and so on and so on. Then, so if you want this one, first of all, you have download the data from the Google dataset. After you can upload in the Google Drive, your drive, and you can give, for example, my drive I kept Netflix titles.csv. So if you want to some headlines, you can give df.head. It will display. It will help to display the information like this. So some of the information. So there will a lot of attributes there. We don't want to go deeply here. If you have anything, can comment in the comment box. So there will be TV channel name, attributes like many things is there, categorical attributes, numerical attributes, and the country. So everything, so many data is there. The survey saying across world, US is the top one for hosting the video. That means manufacturing video in the manufacturing and doing all the transaction with the Netflix company. Next, India and remaining upcoming like and so on. After this, we can go on print the information. Then it allows check whether the data frame loaded or not. So it will give the information. Then if you want display some information, we can give df.dataframe.info. So display the information like column ID, non-null value, count and type and so on. Then we can go and check is any sum value, and we can go for some lines programming Python only. So we can easily execute this kind of program very easily. So we can add data if you want to remove data and update the data. So as of Netflix is there and based on the audience only. So moreover, this kind of project helpful to now with the Netflix companies variation. That means how it support the audience and so on, customer satisfaction, enhances customer satisfaction and so on. So once you give like this, it will give the information. Then you can go for a head. So if you want to print again, you can give the head. There'll be a title of the web series or movie, anything, and give the cast. If possible, you display information, country, and date, which date they are release, which date, and duration, and so on and so on. Give all the information like this. And DF info, if you give this, it give the information. Then what you can do means you can add the package called plot Express, where you can add the Netflix color like has some coding. So every have a unique coloring here. As of to more than 256 colors there. And we can give the for TV kids, we have some color, and TV Y7 for exclusive for kids, and PG for family, and so on. After this, you can print. So once you give the information, it will display the information like Netflix content distribution by age group. So maybe kids or adults or elders like that, aged people like that. So then we can give the information like what pandas we are writing the coding and movies country, where we can extend the coding figure movies and update like this. So and go through, it may display the information. And once again, Netflix shows distribution country. So the map were helpful to show the distribution by the country in the worldwide. So this is the one, yeah. So if you want, you can zoom it also. So Canada, total movies, so Romania, like that, you can view the information. So data visualization very helpful to understand who or don't know also. If you go this data visualization and going for graphical method, you can easily understand how Netflix data set successfully available for the customers today and the entire people like that. So the part one video, remaining we see in the upcoming season. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.